To specialize within the finance degree gave me an edge at work in that area. So when it comes to finance, I kind of have an extra edge on top of my MBA. The Master in Finance degree prepares you to understand how the financial statements work. It gives you the groundwork to understand finance and how that plays out at the leadership level. So when I was looking at different MBA programs, scheduling was very important to me because I have a full-time job, right? So I work 50 hours a week trying to advance my career. So scheduling was huge. Northwood made it very easy to work around. Advantages of the DeVos programs is flexibility. Just the flexibility of class times, online classes where you can do it when it works best for you. So you're not tied down to a schedule where I need to be at classes on Tuesday, Thursday from this time to that time. It's from the online perspective, you can do that whenever works best. In some of the comparison schools that are in the area, it stands out and people understand that it's for business professionals and they're going to make sure that you're prepared for your career. And one of the big selling points to me for Northwood is the faculty. So you actually get professors that have worked in the field. I think that's unique to Northwood. It really felt like the professors were deeply involved in it and they cared about the student success, ability for questions as things come up, and just ultimately the flexibility of the different programs was key. There's no way I could have made it happen if there wasn't the availability of classes, night classes outside of my standard work schedule. You can lean back on what you learned in your MBA, what you learned in your MSF, and you can say, well, we talked about this in class and I understand what the end game is here if we continue down this path. So I definitely think it gives you the foundational pieces for that career advancement. Attending the Northwood program has definitely prepared me more for the future. Attending the MBA program along with the MSF program gives me opportunity for advancement down the road in my career. Even if I'm not working directly within the finance field, I think it's going to open up doors down the road.